Hey everyone! This is Ebony from Tshirt.ca. Today we're going to be making one of these cold shoulder bow tops from an old t-shirt. This DIY is super simple. All you need is a pair of scissors, a pen or marker, measuring tape, and some fabric glue. To get started, lay your t-shirt out on a flat surface. Using your measuring tape, mark a point along the shoulder seam about 3 inches from the top of the shirt. Then, make 2 more marks about 2 inches apart on either side of the seam. We're going to cut a U shape connecting the 3 marks. You can go ahead and do this to both of your sleeves of the shirt. Try to make these cuts as smooth and as even as possible. Now we're going to take one of the scrap pieces of fabric that you cut from the sleeve and cut it in half so that you have 2 short pieces. Using your scissors and fabric glue, reshape your pieces of fabric so that you have 2 thick, even strips like this. For the next step, you'll need to fold over your shirt a bit so that it looks like this. Take the sleeve and fold it up like a fan. Apply some fabric glue to the strip of your fabric and wrap it around your folds so that the sleeve resembles a bow. Do the same for both sleeves. Wait a bit for the glue to dry, and that's it. Now you can turn any old t-shirt into one of these super cute cold shoulder bow tops. Thank you for watching.